Say, man, how y'all doing? How y'all doing on this Sunday? Say, I call this will be called Soul Food Sunday Parlay Code. I ain't gonna hold you long. I got my meatloaf on. Quick series for Soul Food Sunday. Yes, sir. I got a meatloaf going. I got some greens. I got some black eyed peas. I got some garlic bread. Oh, and candy yams. Yeah, I'll show you the finished product. Let my dog back in, one of them anyway. They want to come in and out. But anyhow, let me give you this 3-teamer. Soul Food Sunday. Mixed parlay. If you can be so kind in the comments, what are you cooking? What you got going on today for Soul Food Sunday? Put it down in the comments. I got a mixed parlay college basketball going on today, and I got an NBA team for you tonight. Let's see if we can get in the winning circle. 2:45 right around the corner. This is what I see. Ohio State Buckeyes on CBS taking on UCLA at 2:45. Let the other dog in. Parlay Pavilion. That's where they're gonna be playing at. LA, California. They got some tickets on the low, $24. The over/under is 138.5. Point spread is 7.5. UCLA supposed to beat the Ohio State Buckeyes by 7.5 points. We're gonna take the plus 7.5. Ohio State will not get beat today by more than 7.5 points. The X Factor player over there for Ohio State is Bruce Thornton out of Fairburn, Georgia. 17 points a game, 3 rebounds, 4 assists, shooting 51% from the field. And then for UCLA, you got Tyler Bibedo, the junior forward, 14 points a game, 4 rebounds, 1 assist, and he's shooting 50% from the field. Take that plus 7.5, Ohio State. Next game, this should be a good one. 3 o'clock. Drake Bulldogs, 24-3. They 14-3 in the MVC. Taking on Northern Iowa, 19-9, and they 13-4 in the MVC. They're gonna be at that in the Globe Center out of Cedar Falls, Iowa. Tickets go on sale 1 o'clock. That's when the doors open, at 1 o'clock. The over and under is 125.5. And that's what I like. We're going with that. 125.5. Point spread is 1.5. Northern Iowa was supposed to win by 1.5. I don't like that point spread, but both of these teams should go over about 145 today. both teams combined. So let's take that 125.5. That's low. We'll take that. The X Factor player over there for Drake is that still Bennett Sturridge, the junior guard out of Liberty, Missouri. He been balling 18 points a game, 4 rebounds, 6 assists, shooting 50% from the field. Then you got Northern Iowa. Got T. Anderson, the senior guard out of El Ridge, Iowa. 15 points a game, 6 assists, 6 rebounds, 2 assists, shooting 58% from the field. So let's take that over and under for 125.5. And then later on tonight, we're going to make this a mixed parlay. Let's go to the NBA. NBA ESPN. Oklahoma Thunder going up against Minnesota tonight, the Timberwolves. The over and under is 227.5. Point spread is a negative 8.5. They got the Thunder to win by 8.5. They're going to be at the Target Center tonight in Minneapolis. They got some tickets available, $25 on the low. Go to vividseats.com. Vividseats.com online if you want any of the games I'm talking about. The doors open up at 6:30 over there. The Thunder is 45-10. They 19-7 on the road. The Timberwolves is 31-26. They 16-13 at home. Somehow, some way, the Timberwolves will not get beat tonight by 8.5. So we're going to take the 8.5 that the Timberwolves will come through. They might even win the game. This game is at 8:30 on ESPN. That's your 3-teamer for today. Don't forget, it's right around the corner. March Madness. Get your brackets in order. Get your brackets in order. I'm going to be going over my brackets here pretty soon. My bracket, I'll probably do a couple. Also, spring training for baseball. It's open. Got a bunch of games today that started at about 12:05. Might want to go glance at that as well. Down in the comments, what you cooking? Soul Food Sunday. You know I'm doing meatloaf today. I'll put a card in the top, let you check out the Sunday dinner. We'll holler back later.